What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have a price update, price prediction on this crypto called Invest Finance, also known as INV. So you probably know why I'm doing a video on this, as a lot of people have been requesting me to do a price update, price prediction on this crypto, as it has been pumping like crazy. As you can see, 80% up in the last 24 hours itself. So that is exactly what I'm going to be going for today. Is it going to keep going up in value? Will it take a dip back down over the coming hours or coming days? As a lot of people are scared to invest right now because of the huge pump. You know, most cryptos do take a dip back, but this crypto, as you can see on the graph, let me go here, Invest Finance, has been literally going up in value for the past 24 hours quite consistently without taking any major drop backs. So I'm going to go through my prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, and also overall in 2022. Is Invest Finance a good investment, and can it give you a decent amount of return? And also, what is the highest figure it can hit this year? But before I go into all of that stuff, if you're new to the channel and you're not subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 50,000 subscribers as soon as possible. And once I do hit that target, there will be a cryptocurrency giveaway which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry, following me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. And once again guys, for this giveaway there's going to be at least 3 lucky winners that are going to be winning cryptocurrencies, so make sure you stay tuned on my Instagram for more details regarding the giveaway. So of course, Invest Finance is a top gainer in the last 24 hours. Even in the last hour itself, it has managed to gain 2%. Last day, 74%. Over the week, 50%. We can see that for most of the week, it was slowly starting to take a dip, all up until very late yesterday, where it decided to take a huge peak and then drop back down, and then currently going back up in value. And over the month, is an overall 20% up. So yes, it all looks great, it all looks good on the short term when you look at the daily and weekly chart, but when you look at the overall chart, it is not performing too well. So going into the CoinMarketCap website, we can see here that the trading volume has gone up by a massive 338% in the last 24 hours, meaning we're seeing way more people trading the crypto, more buyers, more sellers, and I'm pretty sure there's going to be a lot of short-term traders as well when it comes to this crypto, literally just buying and selling on a consistent basis. And as you can clearly see here, there's way more buyers. We've got a massive 81% buy against only 19% sell. So yeah, that makes it very, very clear that there are way more buyers. So let's get straight into the price prediction. So obviously we've got the Fibonacci scale on the screen right now, but I'm not going to be using this right now. We'll get into that later on in the video, so I'm going to hide it, and let's get straight into the price prediction. So at the bottom here, I've got the MACD indicator, which is what I'm going to be using to look at my prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, and months. And at the top, we've obviously got the candlestick pattern chart and the SMA indicator, which is the purple line running across the chart, as you can see here, which is currently valuing it at $294. However, it is trading at a massive $361, which is way above the average value. However, the only bad point to that is obviously this is the average value, so it will look into dropping back down to about the $300 mark, so dropping about $60 over the coming hours or coming days, but we'll get into that very shortly. So I'm going to zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. So zooming in here, we can see that the orange line is slightly looking bullish, going towards the positive direction, and the blue line is slightly heading towards the negative side. Yes, it does look like it is going in a straight line. However, if you look very closely, we can see that it's slanting towards the negative direction. So do expect slight drops, and so it's going to be a mixture of ups and downs. As you can see, we've had a major peak here, and it's started to drop back down in the last half an hour, and we're seeing another red candlestick here. So if you guys have been following me for a while and have been watching my videos, you would know that I've always said this: whenever you see a crypto doing a huge percentage increase, just like this one here, in a short amount of time, it has to drop back down, it has to take a little breather, which has already started to take place. So do expect slight drops in value, but hopefully we should be hovering around the $380 to $400 mark towards the end of the day today. But do expect it, as I mentioned earlier, to drop down to about $340 to $350 as well. So it's going to be quite volatile over the next couple of hours. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days are looking very, very positive. As you can see, the blue line and the orange line are both going in a bullish direction, looking quite positive. But the only reason I would say is doing that is obviously it's never experienced a huge price increase like this one. As you can see, most of the time it was just dropping in value, and right now out of nowhere it's had a huge increase in value. So the graph is like, what's going on? This this crypto is just going to keep going up in value, so on and so on. However, that is not the case, guys. Do expect it to drop down in value. You're going to see red days, you're going to see green days over the next few days. So I'm talking about mid next week towards the end of next week. It is very likely it's going to drop down in value and fluctuate around the $330 to $320 mark, somewhere around there. Now, moving on to the long term, the daily chart next couple of weeks are still looking positive. So let's say by late April, early May, we should hopefully expect a huge, not a huge increase, but minimal increase in value, hopefully going past the $400 mark and heading to $450 by early May. However, guys, these are my predictions as of right now. This may change according to any new updates, new news that come across that could have a potential impact on the value of Invest Finance. But anything like that, I will of course keep you guys updated on my Instagram page and on my YouTube channel as well. So make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So yeah, these are my predictions and my takes. And regarding you guys asking me, can it hit a new all-time high? We can see the highest it's been to was when it first started, and this was back in March last year when it was worth 1.8k. And for it to hit that target, it's gonna have to go through a huge percentage increase, which I am not expecting from INV at the moment, but if I do expect it, I will let you guys know. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring out the Fibonacci scale, which is what we're going to be using to do the price prediction or technical analysis, I mean. So let's bring this down here to the red target. So as you can see, we are currently fluctuating around the red zone. However, it is starting to head up to this line here, which is just about the $500 mark. So previously, guys, as you can see, it always rebounds when it hits this target here, 1.5k, rebounds, hits 1.5k, rebounds, drops all the way down to the red zone, and then rebounds here at $953. And yeah, for last time it was rebounding at this target here, which was $745, just about there, or let's say $750. As you can see, it's hit it 1, 2, 3 times, and it's always resisted it, meaning coming back down in value, and has dropped all the way down to the red zone. So I'm expecting it to hit $500 anytime soon over the next couple of months, and will very likely to rebound. So you know, hit this target here, maybe hit 510, 520, and drop back down in value to the $400 mark. However, if it does decide to break out, then the next target would be $750. But again, comment down below how often you guys want INV updates. Is it once a week, twice a week, 3 times a week, or whatever it may be? Let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll upload according to, you know, how often you guys want INV updates. But yeah, these are my predictions and my takes on INV, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to leave it a like, and if you didn't, leave it a like as well. So either way, go down and smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Let's try and hit 50k subscribers as soon as possible before I do the cryptocurrency giveaway. And also, I just want to say a massive thank you and a shout out to all of you guys who have been subscribing to the channel and supporting the channel in any way or form. And yeah, I appreciate each and every single subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, and a special shout out to all of you guys. And yeah, before you click off, make sure to like, subscribe, share, comment, and all of that stuff. You know what to do. And I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should be later on today. Until then, take care and peace.